like that doesn't feel like it's snowing. You also need wind to make it really feel like it's snowing. And I always use a fairly crude form of wind. Wow, which feels really good right now. So you need wind, a few more flakes. And just by simply tearing the flakes in half, I've doubled what I have. And if I tear them in half again, I've quadrupled. And then all I need is just a small amount of water. Share the love. Squeeze tight. And then imagine, what it'd be like to be in a snowstorm.